And we're back to learning Inkscape in a year, day 96. Let me show you how you can add colors to your gradient. So by default, we only have 2 colors. I've shown you that in the last video. We use the linear gradient right here and the third option for adding to fill. And then you left click drag on your element to add it. And then you have the color stops. As I've said, by default, it should be 2. And you can change the colors down here. For stop 1, let me make that red. Stop 2, I'll make it blue. So how can you add more color stops? What you can do is you simply hover over the line and then you can see how the cursor changes. So depending on where you are, hover a little bit closer to the line and then you see the plus sign. When this appears, you can double click. Let me do that in center. And there you go, we have color stop 3. Let me give that a yellowish color. And now you can see it very prominently. And you can also left click drag on it to reposition it. That's the offset right here. Now it has switched, but trust me, it's the offset. Let us go to Object, Fill and Stroke. And here you can see the offset for the 3 color stops again. So the yellowish one is almost in center. It's basically a percentage value. So here it's 38%. Let me make that 50. Then it's exactly in center. You can also use the scale right here. And if you hover over it, a plus sign appears and then double click to add another color stop. Let me add 25% and 75 another one. So this is how I can add and reposition these color stops. How can you delete them? Well, you can't select them right here. That would delete my entire object. Let me press Ctrl Z and reselect it. Here's our gradient. What you can do is you can left click on these color stops on the element itself and delete it. So just press the delete key or select the color stops right here on the scale and press the delete key. And this is how you can get rid of them. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.